Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're going to show you a simple yet essential task for anyone dealing with internet connectivity issues: how to reset your router. Whether your Wi-Fi seems sluggish or you're experiencing frequent dropouts, resetting your router can often help resolve these issues. Stick around, and we'll walk you through the process step by step. Step 1, identify your router. First things first, locate your router. It's usually a small box with antennas connected to your modem or directly to the internet source. It might be placed in a central location in your home for better coverage. Step 2, power cycle method. The most common way to reset your router is through a power cycle. Here's how you do it. Find the power button on your router. If it doesn't have one, simply unplug the power cable from the back. Wait for about 10 to 15 seconds. This allows the router to completely power down and clear any temporary glitches. Plug the power cable back in or press the power button to turn the router back on. Step 3, reset button method. If a power cycle doesn't solve your issues, some routers have a reset button that restores factory settings. Here's how to use it. Look for a small reset button on the back or bottom of your router. It's often recessed to prevent accidental resets. Grab a paperclip or a similar tool. Press and hold the reset button for about 10 to 15 seconds until the router lights start flashing. Release the button. Your router will reboot and return to its factory settings. Be aware that this method erases any customized settings you've configured, so you may need to re-enter your Wi-Fi password and other details. Step 4, check your connection. Once your router has finished rebooting, check if your internet connection is back up and running smoothly. Reconnect your devices to Wi-Fi if necessary. Conclusion. And there you have it. Resetting your router is a straightforward process that can often fix common internet issues. Remember, if you're still experiencing problems after resetting, it might be worth contacting your internet service provider for further assistance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.